Hey, how's it going, guys? So we're going to be talking about what it takes to be able to get either a renovation loan to do some work on your house. If you currently own your home, want to redo your kitchen, want to redo your bathrooms, want to add an ADU, which is a big hot topic right now. So when you currently own your home, there's a couple ways to go at it. One is you can get what's called the home equity line of credit or a second mortgage, especially when you have a really great rate on your first mortgage where you don't want to touch that rate. We can add a second loan. As long as you have enough equity, we can take that out up into roughly 80 to 85% of your equity that's available after your first mortgage. So that's a good way to do it. And we do that before you start to do any of the work, just in case they have to go in and do an appraisal. Don't want to do any demo work until you make sure that they do an appraisal to make sure that they don't have any issues with that. There's another way of doing it, and that's doing a renovation loan via either a 203K or what they call a home style loan. So the good thing about using those kind of loans, even if the rate's going to be higher, is when you don't have enough equity, even if you have a great rate on your first, but you don't have enough equity to be able to do the renovations you want or add that ADU. Because with a 203K and a home style loan, you're able to use the future value of the home, not what it's currently worth, after you make all those additions and all those modifications and upgrades. So it's a good way for you to be able to add equity and build it in and get the financing you need to be able to do all that stuff, especially because on a 2 or 3K, you can go all the way back up to a certain percentage of LTV or loan to value, because you're able to add all this additional value without even starting to do the work. Then you can do the work after you close. They give you they give you 6 months after you finish this to do all the work you need to do. So with a 2 or 3K, the FHA version, you're able to do an attached ADU, which means that you can either convert your existing garage into an ADU or do an attached addition to your home. The home style, the conventional version, you're able to do an addition separate from the house. And the cool thing about the home style is if you wanted to also add a pool, you can add a pool with that program as well. So there's different ways for you to be able to take advantage of programs to do additions, upgrades, repairs, roofs, anything you need to do your home. We have financing available for you. So if you need any help with this, guys, let me know. I'm here for you. See you guys.